Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
As always, to view or purchase any products coming up in today's video, please click the links in the description below. Let's get started. Today we have two products, DeWalt DCD 796P1 18 volts combi drill and the Bosch SB 18 volts combi drill. This DeWalt drill has an ultra compact, lightweight design, making it perfect for use in confined spaces. It is equipped with a 2-speed all-metal transmission, intelligent trigger, 15 torque settings and hammer mode, meaning it is suitable for a variety of screw driving, drilling and hammer drilling applications. Its improved ergonomic design and soft grip rubber over mould to ensure maximum comfort for even the most strenuous tasks. The features and benefits include the following. It has a 2-speed all-metal transmission which provides increased runtime and longer tool life. It has ultra compact and lightweight design which allows for long use times with minimum strain. It has intelligent trigger design, allows you for total control of application. Also, it has a brushless motor technology for excellent efficiency. It has a steel belt hook and a magnetic bit holder to ensure strong storage solutions. It has a maximum drilling capacity of 40mm with wood or 30mm with masonry and steel. The specifications include the following. A maximum torque of 70 Nm with 15 different torque settings. A no load speed of 2000 RPM and an impact rate of 34,000 BPM. A 30mm metal keyless chuck and a charging time which is 60 minutes. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for construction, manufacturing and woodworking industries as well as DIY. The GCB 18 volts to 21 Professional is a reliable entry-level cordless combi drill with an impact drilling function. Its full metal gearbox and electronic cell protection provide professional quality for everyday professional and DIY use. The drill driver is both reliable and durable. This tool is intended for drilling in wood and a maximum diameter of 35mm, in steel up to 13mm and for screw diameters up to 10mm. Its impact drilling function also makes working in masonry at up to 10mm possible. The features and benefits include the following. It has 2-speed metal gearboxes for faster drilling and driving applications. Up to 25+1 clutch settings for precise screw settings. It has an electronic motor and electronic cell protection to help protect the tool and batteries from overload and overheating. It has a compact size of 209mm, meaning it is perfect for long use projects and working in tight areas. It has a low battery indicator, stopping you unexpectedly running out of charge halfway through your job. The specifications include the following. A maximum torque of 55 Nm and a total of 21 torque settings. A no load speed of 1800 RPM and an impact rate of 27,000 BPM. A 13mm keyless chuck and finally a charging time of 35 minutes. Founded in 1898, Bosch opened its first international office in central London. Every one of Bosch's group business sectors has a presence in the UK: mobility solutions, consumer goods, energy and building technology and industrial technology, and approximately 40 locations in the UK. Looking at the two products overall, the DeWalt has 20 more Newton meters, 200 more RPM and 7,000 more BPM than Bosch. But on the other hand, Bosch has a 25-minute faster charging time and 6 more torque settings than DeWalt. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools. Catch you later.